What up, everybody? Mark Corp here. Poison Clan, Technique. I am the Scorpion. Why did they do it? Why? Oh my god, why? Harley Quinn. Just stop. I'm serious.
No, bitch!
Exactly. What is going on with this? Birds of Prey? Nah, man.
Oh, fuck my ozone.
Get him. Yeah, she just took it to another level, man. After Suicide Squads, I think she lost her mind. She just jumped on this bullshit with Hollywood and this agenda crap. They never should have did it. They never should have did it. I am so disappointed. Oh, I was a big fan. She hurt me. Really hurt. Really hurt me. Can't believe it, man. You know, she could be all bright out all she want, but this shit don't score, son. I mean, it's gonna lose money. Box office fucking fiasco. It's not gonna work. It's never gonna work. Not with the cast they got. I can't see it.
Nigga, please.
That's what I'm talking about. Back that shit up. They need to start all over. Harley Quinn need to be the Harley Quinn she was in Suicide Squads. She was beast, man. She was bold. She was funny. She was dangerous. She was psychotic.
Poor shit.
They give us this bum shit now. I mean, this stuff that we can't even comprehend. I don't get it. Why would they do it? Even her shorts ain't even tight anymore. You know, this is just a thing. They want every man to have their shirt off, but a woman can't take off nothing. Not a thing. Fully clothed. Man, bullshit.
Let's dance.
I'm with you. I'm ready to fight. Let's do it. Fuck out of here. That bullshit.
Well, that hit the spot.
Yo, they can't do this. Why would they keep carrying on with nonsense? They ain't gonna make money. I mean, they know it. What, 10 million maybe total? Fuck opening weekend. Might make 2. I can't see this even making anything. Harley Quinn looks stupid in this. She looked like a buffoon. I mean, I guess she's a clown, right? Fuck, a jester. Gotta call her Harley Jester now. I don't see it as nothing else. She's a straight buffoon. This is like fucking looking like a stripper. Oh my god. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
The voices.
More than that.
I'm kidding.
No, you're not.
That's not what they really said.
Yes, it is. I just don't get it. What happened? I mean, Suicide Squads. I mean, I'm a big fan. Will Smith is my boy. Gosh. I could watch this one over and over, man. I enjoyed it, man. All the supporting cast on it. Even my girl here. She's beast. She's bold too, man. She don't be playing. I mean, Suicide Squads. My God. It's awesome. I mean, this was a nice flick. And they threw in Batman. Little clips kind of related to with Superman. I mean, I thought it was hot. I'm still a DC fan too. More Marvel, but still DC too. I like them. Harley Quinn was my girl. Oh, good night. Yeah, sure. I would hit you with that shit. Really. Tired. Can't believe it. Yeah. Okay. Keep playing. You messed up. Messed up. Your turn. Fuck it.
Good night.
This bum shit. Why would they even try it? I mean, I'm all for the female cast. I mean, I love Annihilation. I mean, I thought that was a great flick. I was a big fan of that movie. I thought that was great. All women in it. You know? People who ain't seen Anna, gotta see Anna. That was beast. But this bird shit, oh my God. Looks stupid. Hyena. Oh my god. That's a pet? Yeah, get that shit out of here, man. Another malfunction. Just not working. Something's wrong. But this is where they all end up. Tied up in the back of that trunk.
I started putting together a pitch.
And this interview just killed me. I didn't understand it. What was she saying?
There was just a real gap in the market.
Gap in the market. Gap in your tooth, maybe.
At least some of us know when we need help.
Get the fuck out of here, you.
Yeah, but that bullshit.
Action films, and I think there's a misconception, perhaps subconsciously, for people that, well, action films are for dudes, girls don't really
See?
like them.
You see this shit?
Not true. I love them. I know heaps.
Who said this? It sounds like Kathleen Kennedy all over again.
Good story, a good cast, good characters, universal despite gender.
Brought back Rosie
couldn't
Perez?
understand
Oh
why
my
they
god,
were
I thought she
more.
was dead.
I loved movies
Oh,
like
what the
Cameron
fuck?
Diaz, Drew
And I
Barrymore,
love the old Charlie's
Angels
Angels. You
growing
shouldn't
up,
even
so
mention
I
them.
knew I
No
wanted
way.
to find
Liar.
that and help put that on a screen somewhere.
No! No! No!
Why you try that shit?
No!
While I was researching Harley, of course, I was devouring the comics, became kind of obsessed with them. At some point, I stopped even reading just Harley comics because I just was really enjoying the comics. So that sort of rabbit hole led me to the Birds of Prey comics.
And that's when you
it
got
seemed like a
stupid
good,
and lost your fucking mind.
Platform for a female ensemble.
You broke my heart. You broke my heart.
Yeah. My heart is still aching. I was a big fan. Yeah, I need to take what she's taking. What the fuck she got in that shit? Fucking acid or some shit. I don't know. I need that. I mean, it just really messed me up. I really can't believe it. Really depressing. Really, really depressing. I mean, it's buffoonery. She's like a court jester in this kind of flick. Bullshit in her way. See what happens, Harley, when you play with matches? Dynamite? Fuck shit up. I don't get it. What the fuck went wrong? Why did they even try it?
Luck! Blind, stupid, simple, doodah, clueless.
Bye-bye.
I've really enjoyed watching the women in particular walk out.
See? That's all she's talking
Seem
about.
a little more pumped up than usual. Like come at me, world. It's fun. I think you get that feeling of like, oh wow, I can do shit.
Is he shitting me?
Yeah. And what's with that stupid grin?
Well, she is like the Joker. It's a dumbass one. She just switched up, man. I swear. Everybody jumped on that bullshit
I read the script,
SJW
and
train,
it was
man.
The second time I've read a script.
She's
written by
on it.
Charles Randolph, so
She's
I
in
had
first
high
class,
expectations,
sitting
and
in the front
somehow
seat.
The script exceeded those high expectations. It felt well explored. It's a huge issue, and I think obviously a totally different issue, but in the way that he did in The Big Short, he really went to every nook and cranny of it, and it felt really deeply mined.
Felt
And
stupid.
I learned
Just
a lot.
admit it.
Even on the first page of the script, when originally it started with the definition of sexual harassment.
Oh my God, they going there?
Illegal or not illegal in a workplace.
Why? Why is this all politics now? It's stupid.
Might have to drop. Might have to drop a dime on them
I
niggas.
hear that.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Gotta stop it.
I don't like that shit.
For sure, bro.
I don't like that shit.
I'm with you on that. I'm really not liking it. Exactly. This shit just ain't working. Throw it out. Fuck it. Really. I mean, why would they get away from this concept? Suicide squads. Now they want to go all female cast. Harley Quinn, why? You messed up, girl. Gosh, you are a favorite.
You broke my heart. You broke my heart.
Yeah. Now let's watch some real women in action. I'm gonna be out after this, y'all. Just a quick one. See y'all in the next video. Bet.
L'anima ghiaccia, dolorata, non si dà pace, ma chi m'ha nuttata. Lo tempo passa, ma non aggiorna, non c'è mai soli, si non torna. Brucia la terra mia e abbrucia lume cori. Chi si ti dà guaida e io si ti dà morì. A quella canto la me canzoni. Se non c'è nudo, casa faccia allo barcone.